Hi, I'm Edwin from VE Creation. I'm going to share with you how to blend these two images in this tutorial. Let's get started. We will see how to blend two images using Photoshop, and we will see some shortcuts in this video. You can see my previous video to know about how to import images into Photoshop. Click on the image and use Ctrl+T to scale up the image. Select the second layer and drag it over the first layer. Now we will create a mask by clicking on the layer mask, and you can see now the white mask on the layer. What is a mask actually? Black are the areas where the layer does not show up, and white are the areas where the layer shows up. Click on the program color, and if we paint this area with black, and if we wanted this black again, then you can paint it with white. Now you might have understood the idea of using layer mask. Now I will tell you a shortcut to increase the size of brush. Right click on the mouse and then hold the Alt key, drag the mouse up and down to get soft and odd brush. And similarly, hold the Alt, press right click on the mouse and drag the mouse left and right to make the brush size small and large. For simple effect on the image, you can use color lookup for some dynamic effect on the image. Hope this video is beneficial for you. Share this video to your friends, and more videos will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching.